Good morning guys! So today, August 10, birthday ni Mika, ng partner ko. And we will be celebrating. So this is the first time na ako yung nag-prepare ng itinerary namin. Kasi every time we go out, we go somewhere, laging siya yung nagde-decide. Lagi ko siyang tinatanong kung saan niya gusto pumunta. But this time, ako yung nag-decide because it's her special day and I don't want her to stress out thinking kung saan pupunta, anong gagawin. And we both decided to celebrate a little simpler. Usually kasi pag mga ganito, birthday niya, birthday ko, anniversary namin, nag-out of town kami. But kami, for today, dito lang tayo around Metro Manila. Samahan nyo kami mag-celebrate para makita nyo yung mga activities na gagawin namin. Yun lang. So, malapit na natin sunduin si Mika, guys.
Hi, Min.
Love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday!
Ay, thanks! Aww, ganda! I want, pero like, let's look for like yung ano. Pero gusto ko rin.
First agenda for today, brunch.
Brunch time. Thank you.
So I got the honey glazed chicken and this
caramelized spam roll with the fluffy omelette.
let's eat.
Spicy, but it's so good. Put it on your chicken, okay? Get this one, and then this one.
We have 7 seconds timer. No retake para may 8 shots po kayong pagpipilian. Then, get ready na lang po. Start na po yan agad. Camera. Thank you po. Thank you.
Pili tayo. Ayoko niyan. I like this one. I like this one.
Nanatili mo awak.
Kita ka siya. Ay, ganda.
Pili ka na dyan. Isang mini, isang biggie. May mini, may biggie, tas may milk tea.
Ito pong ice cream. Ice cream. Ito naman.
It's for you. You get to choose your own cake.
This one, baby.
Ano, masarap kasi ito eh. Chocolate eh.
Ito na lang pong teddy sticker na lang. Chocolate.
So,
Mahirap
that
pala to. Challenging pala si Berry Sweet. Ito lang yung challenging. Siya lang. Kasi it's a heart shape.
We got free milk teas. DIY din ang milk tea. Pwede coffee oh.
Oh, yeah. Ito yun, di ba? This is the one we're gonna make.
If you need assistance po, ask lang kayo sa baking coach. Doon na po yung assigned table natin. May name nyo na po, so no need to transfer other table. Reminder lang po, 1 ingredient, 1 bowl po tayo to avoid cake failure. If you need separated egg yolk and egg white po for mini cake, pinaka-separate na po tayo sa chili. Nag-cash po tayo so far.
Wala naman.
Wala na po kayong question, ma'am. Pwede na po kayong mag-
Nakita ko na siya guys. So nakuha na natin yung mga kailangan natin. Next step is lalagyan natin ng liner. Yung cake mold, kuha tayo liner.
This is exactly on it. Can you get me one tray, please?
Tray?
Yes.
Kuha tayo ng ingredients. Kuha tayo ng pantimbang. 20 grams cake flour. Sumobra. 5 the cornstarch. Ay, sumobra. Ano ako eh, chef ako eh.
Sobrang seryoso. Kindly check this, Wala ko mo.
Sumobra, ito. Hello, gits. Ay, meron ba pala kasi ito ba? Walang egg yolk. Egg yolk. Wala. May nakasulat doon egg yolk pero walang nakalagay. Sinabi ko na dun. Ano guys, subos na yung egg yolk. Wala na, cancel na.
Pina-timer ko dito.
In the mixer bawang. Nice sugar.
I'm waiting for it to be 5 minutes.
Egg yolk.
You put it here.
Ani, isa yung black. Kaya yung malaki, di ba?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying?
Yeah.
Lalo ako.
Need 2 minutes more.
Ako, 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Does it really matter?
Yeah. Pwede kasi hindi siya megas na ulit. Pag luluto. It's ano talaga, accurate. Gusto ko ng ganito?
Tagal pa to guys. Gawa muna tayo coffee.
30 seconds.
Tagal. Kaya na guys, nag-iba na yung itsura niya. No?
Hey, 5 minutes. Done. Then you have to bring this up. Let it flip down.
Hard. Napit lang matapos guys.
I'm gonna bake now.
Go, go, go. Time to bake.
160 both?
18 minutes. 18 minutes. Habang nagbe-bake tayo, prepare na natin yung next steps. We need the spatula and the season.
And the pastry bag.
Tagisa tayo. Mixing bowl? Oh, hindi naman ako pinakuha.
Ikaw yun.
Okay guys, mixing bowl na tayo. Kuha tayo ng 80 grams of decorative whip. Okay. Oh, decorative ever whip. Now we get 80 grams of this. Food color, go with deep pink.
What food color did you
Pink.
use? I can't find the brown one, but only the gel base.
Tanong mo, B. Ano guys, pink na siya. Ha? Tatanong. Ano ba dapat?
Brown, how do I use this? Sa whipped cream. Ginano mo lang siya, ginano mo lang spatula. Parang malambot yung cream nito.
Pag nag-bake ka, dami mo nga lang ugasin. Oh! Bake kami doon.
Bakit parang orange? Dapat na makulay yan. Bakit kaya? Food color of your choice.
Pwede ibahin.
Yun nga eh.
Check natin yung cake natin guys.
Did you take out your cake na?
Yeah, it overflowed. No, lumipad.
Removing the pimple, guys.
Cyst removal.
Yung sarap ng crispy part.
May kalasa siya.
Pimple. Cream puff.
Ah, oo.
Ito mga next step naman.
So I have to coat it with this one. Spicy cake. Ito yung sariling design.
Ang lahat din naman.
Ha? Pwede naman spatula na. Ito, pwede naman tanggalin.
So,
Skip. No, skip. Nandito siya. Random. Successful overtime.
ay,
Oh. Hey guys, tapos na kami sa Mega Mall. Dito naman ulit kami sa Gloria Greenbelt pala.
yes.
Favorite mall.
You like some fresh pepper po?
Yes po, please. Oh, it's so big. Gusto mo ng ganyan sa bahay.
Tingin natin din.
So good.
Their pizza look the same dun sa kinainan namin sa Sikirol. Kaso hindi pa ako vlogger. That's called Dolce Amore.
The best.
Swing sa baba or pasta lang. How's your food po? Thank you so much po. You need everything po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, halos busog na kami. Kaso meron pa pala kami isang in-order.
Paubos na guys. Meron pang in-order pala.
Ito mga paubos na yung pasta, yung pizza. Pero late na namin na-realize na may kulang pa sa order. Ganun siguro talaga pag masarap yung pagkain. You are enjoying the food, not realizing na kulang pa pa. So kain tayo guys, tikman natin ang process. Perfect siya. Kahit walang rice, sarap.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Enjoy your candle. Bon compleanno.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guys, I got a pudding. Chocolate pudding. Minsan sa TikTok, parang may mga discussions, or kahit saang social media, may mga discussions na sabihin nila na men who doesn't plan for the dates, ganyan, like red flag, or automatically, hindi siya super interested sa'yo. Pero for me, that is not a problem. Kasi, ang nangyayari naman is, you ask for my end. You put me into consideration. Before you plan out anything, you ask me first. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na medyo meron akong mga standards. And I appreciate it. Diba? Parang sa iba, baka automatically okay na. Ano ba yan? Parang ako na lang lagi naiisip or ganyan. Pero hindi eh. Like sa situation namin, parang sa akin, it's really an exception. Si Bern naman, hindi lang siya nagpa-plan na siya lang nag-iisip lahat. Kasi he has to think about what I want. He has to ask me what I want. Kasi what if yung mga plan niya is hindi naman pala yun yung mga pet. Diba? Parang regardless of the intention na nag-plan siya, yung intention niya pa rin is not something na I'm included. So that's what I like about him. Kasi hindi man siya nagpa-plan lagi. Like ako, ganyan-ganyan. It's kasi ang gusto niya, yung mga gusto ko yung masusunod.
Tsaka may mga times kasi na chika sa ibang bagay pero hindi lagi. So,
For example, yung rule kasi namin, actually hindi siya rule, unspoken rule lang siya. Pag naka-outfit ako, like yung talagang inayos ko yung sarili ko, we don't eat at fast food restaurants. Yan talaga yun, parang automatic na ano ko na pagkakain na kami sa fast food tapos naka-dress up ako. So, kumakain kami na sa mga fast food, sa mga random things. But after school ko, mga naka-casual lang ako. And hindi naman problem din yung paper. Hopefully.
hindi no. Kasi kung problema yun, matagal ka nang sinabi sa'yo.
Yeah, lagi nga niya sinasabi sa akin na kumain ako sa Greenwich nung isang araw. Kasi hindi tayo kumakain doon eh. Kasi alam mo.
So, those are the moments or times na pwede ako kumain sa mga hindi namin kinakainan. Yun nga, Greenwich, Zarts. I mean, magkaiba kasi kami ng gustong pagkain. So, but of course, pag magkasama kami, yung mga gusto niya yung sinusunod natin.
Ang main point lang dito, do not entirely believe what you see on social media. Kasi it's always a case-to-case basis. What works for them might not work for you. Like in all things, hindi lang sa relationships, hindi lang romantic relationships, maybe on friendships as well. Parang hindi automatically malilabel mo as agad as red flag or red flag situation yung nangyayari. Kasi you set a standard na based lang sa other people's experience.
Guys, meron kaming freebie na dessert kasi birthday. Antik na kaming order ng dessert. Buti sinabi sa amin na ganito. So, tikman natin. So, this one is chocolate pudding.
Salted chocolate mousse.
Parang feeling mo ang dami nito pero pag kinain mo parang ang konti lang kasi parang puro hangin. Anong favorite mo sa kinain?
The main.
Yung pork?
Yeah. What I like about it, Italian food kasi is relatively bland compared to Filipino food. So, they offer you this like little spice rack. So yun, parang ikaw na mag-adjust.
Tapos guys, may complimentary bread din para sila. The best pa rin,
Chips.
the best pa rin si Texas Roadhouse when it comes to complimentary bread. Comment if you agree.
For dinner time, they have
Actually, yung bibiling mo sa'yo dapat na gift is the Sunny's Devon. But marami ng colors ngayon. Marami ng Devon. Last time ilan lang colors doon? 3. Ngayon madami na. So I was wondering, baka may mas magustuhan siya. At the same time kasi, sabi mo gusto mo ng prescription glasses. So ipapaprescribe na rin natin yung Devon mo yun. Yun sana yung bibiling ko. Kahapon nandyan ako. Sabi ko nasa bahay ako. I was wondering dahil binago mo yung hair mo, baka hindi mo na magustuhan yung red or baka may ibang gusto mong frame. At the same time, ipapaprescribe kasi siya. So kailangan nandun ka. Kailangan ma-exam yung mata mo. So, sabi ko si Mika kasi kahit maiwan niya yung glasses niya dun sa kotse, babalikan niya yun.
parang kamukha na to ng dati ko. It's nice din. Parang pang-forma siya.
Ilan to? Mahal yan. So dapat kasi magpe-paint pa kami pag uwi. Pero baka hindi na kasi paint na rin. But we can do the painting some other time. Who knows, vlog din namin yun guys. Did you have fun, B?
Yes, of course, as always.
What's your favorite part of the day?
Idim. Even though stressful siya, I like it. Kasi you don't bake with me. Nakaka-stress lang kasi yung timer. Like, kung walang timer yon or kaya more than 2 hours, hindi siguro akong masa-stress all throughout. Pero nakaka-stress talaga yung end part.
Although dapat naman matatapos ng 2 hours, kaso may mga naging problem kami during the process kasi they were there to assist us. Kaya lang may mali dun sa pag-whip ng icing, so medyo hindi makapit, mga ganon. Minsan yung mga ingredients, wala dun sa dapat nalagyan kasi kinuha na ibang tao, ganon. Love you, babe.
I love you, babe.
Happy birthday!
Thank you!